Stick a zip tie into the sink and you won't believe the results. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. You'll never have this problem again. A regular zip tie turns out to be incredibly useful, and you probably have one at home. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Make a few angled cuts along the sides of the zip tie. Don't cut through it. Just notch it diagonally like I'm showing here. Do this on both sides. Many people deal with slow drains in the sink or shower, usually caused by hair buildup. But with this trick, you won't need to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert the modified zip tie into the drain, move it around a bit, and all the hair inside will get caught on the notches. Then just pull it out, toss it along with the zip tie, and you're done. The drain is clear. No plumber needed. And whenever it clogs again, you can quickly make a new zip tie tool in seconds. Put coins in the sink in the hotel. Apparently a lot of tourists do this. This brilliant trick was shown to me by a former hotel staff member. The bathroom in hotel rooms differs in a few details from the one at home. Although at first glance it looks similar, it turns out that the sink is limited in its functions. Ordinary coins will make using it much easier. If there is no laundry machine in your hotel room, you'll probably use the sink to wash clothes. Unfortunately, the hotel sink doesn't have a plug. This is done for safety reasons. The lack of a plug minimizes the risk of flooding the room. Ordinary coins and a plastic bag can replace it. Just place the bag on the sink, then arrange a few coins on its surface to cover the drain. This way you'll make a makeshift plug that will easily help you fill the sink. Soaking and rinsing clothes in it will be easy. Travelers all over the world use this trick. Brilliant, isn't it? A bad smell coming from the kitchen sink is a common issue. To get rid of food residue stuck in the pipes, start by removing the strainer and clearing out any visible waste. Then drop a dishwasher tablet into the drain. Boil water in a kettle and slowly pour it over the tablet to help it dissolve and flow into the pipes. You'll notice a clean scent almost immediately. Once the tablet is fully dissolved, wipe the drain with a sponge. It'll be clean, shiny, and your kitchen will smell fresh throughout. Before leaving for vacation, put a piece of paper in your sink. This trick helps you avoid an annoying problem that often shows up after a long trip. But first, make sure your sink is clean. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural cleaner, breaking down grease and dissolving residue. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. Dish soap cuts through grease and helps clear grime from inside the pipes. Then pour vinegar over everything and wait 5 minutes. It will create a fizzing foam that dissolves buildup and freshens the pipes. Now, for the paper trick. Take a regular sheet of paper and place it over half the drain opening. You'll also need a glass. Set it on top of the paper to weigh it down slightly. This clever method prevents the water in the trap from evaporating too quickly, keeping it sealed. That way, the pipe under your sink won't turn into a source of bad smells. Even after 2 weeks away, your home will smell just as fresh as always. It's a simple solution that doesn't require special products or much effort. Drop these 3 tablets into the sink, and even a plumber will be surprised. The clog will dissolve faster than sugar in tea. Take 3 tablets and crush them into a fine powder. Thanks to the acetylsalicylic acid they contain, they help remove dirt and blockages. Ordinary aspirin combined with other products becomes a powerful grease and grime remover. Pour the powder directly into the drain. Now it's time for vinegar. Pour in 1 tablespoon and let them work together. Vinegar acts as a natural solvent. Finally, pour warm water and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the aspirin and vinegar will do all the work for you. They will soften grease, dissolve deposits, and unblock the flow. After 30 minutes, rinse everything with running water. The sink will regain full flow. No harsh chemicals, and no need to call a specialist. Unpleasant odors disappear, and you can enjoy cleanliness and freshness. Safe for pipes and for you. I never thought that ordinary bubble wrap could help so much in the kitchen when I wrapped it around the sink pipe. It turned out to be a solution that solved all my problems. This clever idea was suggested to me by a plumber, and I'm convinced that few people know about this use of bubble wrap. A lot of grease and dirt build up in the sink pipes. When washing dishes, hot water melts the grease, but it cools down quickly inside the pipes, causing blockages and promoting the buildup of debris. Over time, clogs form and unpleasant odors appear, making it hard to use the kitchen. Only after using bubble wrap did I notice a significant improvement. You just need to wrap the pipe with bubble wrap, which acts as thermal insulation and keeps the water warmer for longer. This way, grease and dirt don't stick in the bends but flow freely down the drain. I tried this trick myself, and since then, I haven't had any problems with bad smells, even after pouring out greasy leftovers. I'm amazed that such a simple and cheap method really works. I wrapped the pipe from the kitchen sink with aluminum foil. The effects were visible after just a few days. This trick was shown to me by a plumber. I'm sure you've never heard of this use of tinfoil before. A lot of dirt and grease builds up in the pipes of the kitchen sink. When washing up, food residues get into the pipes. They are responsible for the bad smell from the sink. To wash up, we use warm water, which dissolves the grease. In the drain pipes, it begins to cool down, blocking the flow. It turns out that all you need is ordinary aluminum foil. Tear off a large piece. Then tightly wrap the foil around the pipe with it. Cover the entire surface of the drain pipe with it. It has thermal insulation properties. This will keep the water flowing through it warm longer. Oil and oily sludge will drain into the vertical pipe. It will not settle in the trap pipe before draining. I have tested this trick myself, and there is no longer a bad smell coming out of my sink, even after pouring leftovers from the pan. I am delighted that such a cheap and simple way really works. Put a plastic grocery bag into the sink. You won't have to call a plumber. Just a regular plastic bag, and the drain will be clear. If an unpleasant odor emanates from the sink and you hear gurgling in the pipes, apply this method as soon as possible. Remove the strainer from the sink. First, pour some dish soap. The soap removes grease that accumulates in the drain. There's always a lot of it in the kitchen sink. If you're using this method for the first time, pour quite a bit. There's definitely a lot of grease stuck to the walls of the pipes. Now we'll use a secret white powder. Pour about 4 tablespoons into the sink. Time for the third ingredient. It's vinegar. Just pour about 200 milliliters into the drain. Immediately, a reaction will occur between the vinegar and the white powder, and foam will quickly start to form. You probably already guessed that the white powder was baking soda. Now it's time to use the plastic bag trick. Take the bag and insert it into the drain. Try to plug the sink. You can press down on the bag with a bottle of vinegar or another liquid. If you've done it correctly, foam will also start to come out through that small hole. That's the air vent. When foam stops coming out, unplug the sink and see what happens. If foam starts coming out of the sink again, plug it again for a longer time. Usually, it takes about half an hour for the mixture to clean the sink. Only when everything starts to flow into the sink can you turn on hot water and flush the sink thoroughly. Hot water will remove all the residue that the soda, liquid, and vinegar broke down. If you take care of the sink like this once a month or every 2 months, you'll never have to call a plumber.